Meet Bob. Bob has been running an email marketing campaign, but has gotten a very low response rate. After a little research, he learned that almost half of all emails are opened on a mobile device. Because nobody is viewing them properly, his mobile sales are being lost. Introducing MailPlants.com. MailPlants was designed with people like Bob in mind. They showed Bob exactly how many of his customers were viewing his emails on a mobile device and gave him solutions to address them. Using MP Viewer, Bob started sending 2 different versions of his email campaigns. One for PC viewing and one for mobile viewing, based upon his customers' past behavior. Now meet Susie. Using MP Ping, Susie can ask Bob a question before making a purchase through the simple click of a button. Her question is then instantly sent to Bob's MailPlants app. Bob is notified instantly, allowing him to respond even while on the go, ensuring his customer is satisfied and sale is made. Thanks to MailPlants, Bob is ahead of the competition and sales are booming. To learn more about how MailPlants is revolutionizing the way you communicate with your customers, email us at contact@mailplants.com. MailPlants.com. Email marketing mobilized.